Hello, all my glam gods and goddesses. It's Glam God MUA, and I'm here today to bring you a new YouTube video reintroducing myself after my long absence from YouTube. So before we get started, make sure you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also if you're feeling a little bit extra, make sure you hit that bell notification below so you can get a notification every time I upload. So if you didn't know, my name is Denzel Johnson. I'm from Richmond, Virginia, and I'm currently residing in San Diego, California because I am in the military, darling. And I am a makeup artist, and I have been a makeup artist for 5 years now. 5 years, honey. It don't even feel like it's been that long, but I really like glamorous makeup and clean beauty. I like combine those two to mesh my looks that I create. I don't wear liner all the time. I like really just clean, precise, simple, but still glamorous beauty. Really just honestly, I love all things makeup. And that's pretty much how I got into doing the influencer thing and working with brands like Beauty Bakery because I love makeup. I saw that void in the industry where there wasn't any beauty boys of color, and there are so many talented beauty boys of color, me being one of them among others. We were being overlooked, and we are still being overlooked technically. There should be so many more beauty boys of color in the industry doing what I'm doing. We should be definitely getting more recognition, and that's why I'm here, just definitely doing what I do best, doing what I love. Also beating down the industry's door to make sure we get what we deserve because we slay. So that's my intro. If you want to see more videos from me, as in makeup tutorials, product reviews, and all that jazz, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell notification below so you can get a notification every time I upload. Okay, honey? Deuces.